take a look on how to create a box plot using the graphing calculator. The first step is we have to enter our data in the list. So you press Stat, number 1 for edit, and now we enter some values into our list. Here I have some numbers, so 25, enter, 18, enter, 12, enter, 27, 34, enter, and the last number is 48. Okay, so now for us to construct the box plot, we now have to turn the plot on, which is you go to second and y equals. Right above the y equals key, it says stat plot. So we're turning a stat plot on, and you see you have like 4 or 5 choices. So I'm picking number 1. And now you have to make sure the on is blinking. Right now it's turned off. So press enter to turn on the stat plot. Then you move your cursor down and move to the right until you find the box plot. Now you see you have 2 choices here. The first choice is the simple box plot, and the second choice is what is called the modified box plot. And basically what this graph uses the symbols to mark outliers, like for example either really large numbers or small numbers. So here we're using just the simple box plot, so it's blinking, it's highlighted. I press enter. And then you scroll down with the cursor and your list should be L1. By default it will say L1, and the frequency should be by default A1. So now we go to graph, and right now you don't see anything at all, but if you go to zoom and scroll down to number 9, zoom stat, press enter, you see your box plot right here. So in order for us to show a plot, if you don't see it, it's always a good idea to press zoom stat number 9. Now if you go to trace, you can see the cursor actually goes to your first value, which is your smallest value. And if you use the cursor, you will also be able to find the first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and the largest number, which was 48. That is how you create a box plot using your graphing calculator.